Good morning, dear students. This is Rashti Saxena. I am going to teach you English language of class first. In this video, I am going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, more naming words. In the previous videos, I have taught you the chapter lesson number 2 about the nouns, and as you all know that what are nouns, I have already discussed and I have already explained to you, and we shall learn more about nouns in this chapter. I am going to read out for you. Name of people, animals, birds, places and things are naming words. Okay, as you all know that all have got the names. Whatever that you see all around us has got the names. Some names are general names which can be used for any person, place, animal or things. Some names are general, like suppose I say कि I am going to the market. Market can be of any, I'm not saying the name of the market. We can go in any market, Connaught Place, Delhi market, anywhere we can go. Okay, suppose I say I want to buy a new dress. Dress means common. I'm not going to name a particular dress. Naming, I see. Suppose I say doctor. When we fall sick, we go to a doctor. Doctor can be anyone. A doctor can be a girl also, can be a boy also. So these are the general names. They are called common nouns. In this videos we are going to learn more about the nouns. We have already studied about the nouns. Now we shall learn what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. Some names are special names of place, person, things. They are called proper noun. The things that has got a particular name, they are called the proper noun. Suppose I say Reena is going to the market. Reena is the name of a person. So Reena is a proper name. Some names are special names of place, person, things. They are called proper nouns. Now see, what you have to do is, I am going to show you in book. See, this is chapter number 3. I hope you all have purchased the book. If you don't have the book, you can, whatever work I am giving you, you can note it down somewhere in your rough copy, and when you will purchase the book, that time you can complete your work. See the third chapter, more naming words. See, these are the names of name of boy and name of animal, birds, things, name of a place. So these are called naming words or nouns. Exercise A. In exercise A, this exercise you will going to do in your book only, because it is a picture based exercise and you will complete this exercise in your book. What are these? Write their names with the help of the box. See, here options are given to you. With the help of these options, you will fill the names of these things. This exercise you will going to do in your book. Now I am going to start with the exercise in copy. In this chapter only one exercise is there. Only that exercise you will continue in your copy. That same exercise you will continue in your copy. I am going to show you all the exercises one by one. Underline, see, the first exercise is in your copy. You will do this exercise in your copy. Underline the common noun and circle the proper noun in the following. What you will have to do is, where there is a common noun, you will put the underline, and where there is a proper noun, you will going to circle it. Suppose I am reading the first one. Tina is a naughty girl. Okay, Tina is a naughty girl. Tina is a name of a person, means it's a proper noun. In proper noun, what you have to do, you have to circle it. You have to circle. Tina is a naughty girl. Girl is a common noun, because the girl can be anyone. We can take the name of any girl also, but Tina, the name of the girl it has been mentioned is Tina. So girl is a common noun. For common noun you will going to underline it. Then Gopal loves the beaches. Gopal is a name of a person. Okay, Gopal, you will circle it. Gopal is a proper noun. You will going to circle. Gopal loves the beaches. Beaches means common noun, because there are many names of the beaches, but here they have not mentioned the name, only beaches they have mentioned. So it's a common noun. You will going to underline it. You will going to underline it. Now let us see the third one. Ramesh is a driver. Ramesh is a name of a person, name of a boy. So it is a proper noun. We will going to circle it. Is a driver. Driver means common. Here Ramesh can be a taxi driver, it can be a truck driver, any driver, bus driver. Okay, so a driver is a common name, so we will going to underline it. Okay, Rohit is an intelligent boy. Rohit is an intelligent boy. Rohit, name of a person, name of a boy. Rohit is a proper noun. We are going to circle it. Is an intelligent boy. Boy is a common noun. Yes, so we will going to underline it. Connaught Place is a popular place in Delhi. Here they have mentioned the name of a place. Here the name of the place is Connaught Place. So it's not a common noun. It's a proper noun. It's a name of a place. It's a name of a place. So we will going to underline. We will going to circle it. Connaught Place is a proper noun. Is a popular place. Place is common noun or proper noun. Place can be anyone, any place we can say. Na? Here they have not mentioned the name. They have written just a place. Place is a common place in Delhi. Delhi is a name of a place which have been mentioned here. Delhi is a name of a place. So it's a proper noun. Then Mount Everest is the highest mountain. So they have mentioned the name. Here they have what they are saying, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is a proper noun. Mount Everest is a proper noun, is the highest mountain peak. Peak, common noun, in the highest mountain peak in the world. World, what we will say for the world, it's a common noun or proper noun. Because of its uniqueness, it is not being singled out for similar things. That's why we will say that world is a common. Then after finishing with sixth one, we shall go to the seventh one. Mrs. Frank is my class teacher. Mrs. Frank is my class teacher. Mrs. Frank is the name of a teacher, they have said. So it's a proper noun. Is my class. Class is a common noun or proper noun? It's a common noun because class can be anyone, first class, second class, third class, any class it can be. Teacher is also a common because teacher can be a girl also, it can be a boy also. Deepak. Deepak is a waiter in a hotel. Deepak is a waiter in a hotel. Deepak is the name of a boy, that is name of a person. Proper noun is a waiter. Waiter, common noun, in a hotel. Hotel can be anyone. It's a common noun. Then ninth one, Anu, Tanu and Manu live in Jaipur. Anu, Tanu and Manu live in Jaipur. Anu is the name of a girl. Tanu is the name of a girl and Manu is also a name of a girl. These are the proper noun. Live in Jaipur. Where they live, name of the place they have mentioned. Name of the place is Jaipur. Jaipur is the name of a place. It's a proper noun. We are going to Agra. Agra is the name of a place. It's a proper noun. To see the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is unique. Okay. Taj Mahal is the unique one. So it is the name of a place. It's the name of a place. Taj Mahal is a proper noun. Okay. Taj Mahal is in Agra. So it's a proper noun. It's not a common noun. So with this we have finished with the first exercise of this chapter. See, I am showing it to you again. Chapter 1, chapter 3, you will write the name of the chapter here. Chapter 3, you will just write the name, more naming words. You will not going to write all these things. Straight away you will copy the exercise in your copy. The exercise you will start from here. I have already mentioned in copy. This exercise I am showing it again to you. Only this exercise you will write in your copy. 6th and this 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise you will copy in your fair copy. This. And please have a look on this page also. Only this exercise you will going to do in your book. Don't fill all the exercises in your book. Only fill the mentioned exercises in your book. See. And I am going to continue my next chapters in my next video. Till then, please maintain your work. Thank you.